Hi folks, hope you are all doing great. Everything must be fine and we are meeting after so long. So let's learn what is there in today's session. So I think you are all familiar with the name Norman Lewis. So a very popular author and a very popular person worldwide, and its book and the name of the book is Word Power Made Easy is a very popular book. It's more than 1 million copies are sold, and basically I am going to begin with the series of this book. I am reviewing this book and I am exhibiting my own ways in a very simple and step-by-step method. Hope you will like it, and with this series it is going to be beneficial for you in general English or in your daily interaction skill. Apart from that, CUET and other preparation exam, this book is really very beneficial, which is going to enhance or increase your superior vocabulary, and you are going to, no doubt, you are going to boost your everyday English. So guys, before proceeding further, I must tell you something about this book, that basically this book is having 47 sessions, and it is categorized into different chapters. So I am going to take topic by topic, or I am going to take it chapter wise, not specific chapter wise, but I will take the topic wise, so that we are going to learn the specific term for the same. There is not a criteria that we are going to learn what is written in that chapter. The main thing is that what particular new thing we are learning all about. So friends, in today's lesson we are going to learn about the medical specialized fields and what is their profession, what kind of nature of job they are having, and what they are called. It means the specialized or expertise in medical field. So number one, having female troubles, a person who deals with female diseases or ailments, and in other words you can also say the person who is having the expertise in dealing with the female reproductive or sexual organs, that person is known as gynecologist. Whenever a lady's problem is there, then we are going to visit gynecologist. Okay, and I think we are all aware that on and off in this fast-paced world, sometimes we are having physical issues, so we have to visit or consult the doctor, and the doctor gives us prescription according to our health condition. Having a baby, a person who delivers a baby and takes care of mother during and immediately after the pregnancy is over or after the delivery is over, that person is known as obstetrician. Obstetrician is a person who delivers the baby along with the gynecologist and who takes care of mother during the delivery time period as well as immediately after the delivery. Okay, now number three, a person who limits his practices for youngsters only. It means we can say a pediatrician is a person, or a medical expert is a person who deals basically in the growth of infants, basically who observes their health, take care of the record of the same, and apart from that who gives the series of inoculation, means the series of vaccination and whatever the medication process is there. The person who gives the treatment of babies regarding their health, taking care of their health and the series of vaccination, that person is known as pediatrician. Moving towards, is your skin clear? If we have any problem related with skin, which is outer skin, which is visible to us, then in that case the person has to visit to a dermatologist. Derma is a word which is related with skin. So the person who is having the problem related with skin, from acne to eczema or to any sort of infection is there on the outer surface of the skin, that person has to visit dermatologist. Are your eyes okay? It means the person who deals with the vision disorders, who gives the prescription to a person who is having any related problem, then that person, or sometimes the person performs the surgery also, eye surgery, so that person known as ophthalmologist. And the person who prepares the lenses for us and who supplies or delivers the glasses or lenses for us, that person is known as optician. When suppose I have to get my another pair of spectacles, then I will visit optician. I will not go to ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist is a person who is having the expertise or specialization in eyes related problems. His next term is ortho. Ortho word is related with bones related problem. So the person or the medical expert who deals with the skeleton structure of the bones, apart from that spine, slip disc problem or bone fracture, any sort of problems or disorders are there, so we have to visit. This is the modern era, and earlier whenever we have any problem, we used to visit a doctor. We will say we are going to doctor. Now specific fields are there. So physician is a general term used for doctors who deals in varied medical practices. A surgeon is a person who is having expertise or who is specialized in performing surgeries of any kind of related to the health condition of a person. Now heart goes pitter patter. So if the person is having any issue related with heart or circulatory system, then he or she has to visit a cardiologist, because cardio is the word which is related with heart. So in other words, a cardiologist is a person who gives the treatment to the heart disorders or any something related with circulatory system. A person who treats the digestive disorders. Is your brain working? So brain word is always related with neuro. So something brain related problem is there, then we have to visit neurologist, which is related with nerves and brain system. The person who deals with the disorders of brain and nervous system, then the person has to visit the neurologist. Okay, and last but not the least for today's session is therapist. A therapist, from the name it is definitely clear, is a healthcare professional who gives the therapy according to the different conditions based on mentally as well as physically. Hope you have liked today's session, and I am going to continue with this series so that you are going to learn new words and new terms day by day. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and God bless all.